Kamaljeet, as you've been telling us that Sunanda Pushkar had also been trying to reach out to senior journalists and also Congress leaders. Yesterday was a big AICC event. We do know that Sunanda tried to speak to several leaders, send them messages, said that she wanted to bring her side of the story out in the public as well. Who, apart from Sunanda and Shashi Tharoor's family members, are we also seeing senior politicians at the funeral?
Well, what we've seen is the likes of Beena Ramani, we've seen Nalini Singh, we've seen Ritu Berry all coming up here. Obviously, a lot of people that we know from her family are there, and some of the faces we do not recognize. But yes, as far as Congress leaders are concerned, we did see few people coming in to the residence, but not here at the crematorium, which is usually meant for very close friends and family. We did ask the police people also whether some VIPs are expected, which is usually the case since Shashi Tharoor is not just an MP but also a minister, an extremely popular couple as such. They had a lot of social outings. They were shots of them otherwise walking together all the time. So yes, they were a very popular couple. They were much sought out after couple. They were very social. But if you can try and actually have a look as the number of people, number of media people are out here trying to cover this particular event itself speaks to show that they were such popular personalities, and obviously a lot of people really shocked and stunned as to what tragic circumstances that really led to her death. And yes, as far as friends and family are concerned, a lot of people have come here. Yes, this is also a very private moment for them, as I mentioned to you earlier, but this has to be in the public light for now, only for all the wrong reasons. And obviously there has to be some soul searching that Shashi Tharoor would have to do, and it's going to be some very hard times, because remember, Delhi police will have to speak to him once again after the last rites are done, because they would want to know what really conspired in the last few hours between Shashi Tharoor and Sunanda Pushkar, what really led for her to be alone in that particular room. She had moved out of the house, as some of her friends had really said, that they were saying that there was some sort of painting going on inside was one of the facts. But yes, Shashi Tharoor's own personal staff would be questioned for a very long time. They would want to come to the truth as to what really led to this particular spat. It's obvious that the Pakistani journalists had a lot to do with this. There would be scanning of the emails with Shashi Tharoor really coming out and saying that his Twitter account was hacked when it was actually being used by his wife. All these angles will be inspected. Was there a spat between Shashi Tharoor and Sunanda over this once she had mentioned the alleged affair over Twitter? This is something they really have to look at. Another clues that could be coming in is obviously from the CCTV, which has been seized by the police from Leela Hotel. The last moment we told was somewhere around 3:30 in the afternoon. Obviously also trying to say that with technology they can really know as to what time she last sent that SMS or last was seen on WhatsApp or any other social media. This is something which is going to be seen. But yes, as far as social media is concerned, besides sending out that frantic message to friends early in the morning yesterday, there was a certain silence from Sunanda Pushkar. Had she made up her mind that she wanted to end her life is something that would remain under speculation till there is a final conclusive report as to what really led to her death and what killed Sunanda Pushkar.